That's just our minute rice into the bottom of my grease, 13 by 9. Frozen mixed veggies. Ooh, we're gonna put a little bit more in there, why not? I'm gonna add in a cup of low sodium chicken broth. Just getting it across everything here. Perfect. Now I've got my boneless, skinless chicken thigh fillets. Notice I'm just touching those with one hand, and that's gonna allow me to use my other hand to do some seasonings on here. I like to do garlic powder. Yum, my favorite. And we'll just get this, whoop, on both sides. So we want these chickens to be nice and flavorful. And chicken thighs are kind of my favorite. I feel like they come out the most moist when you bake them in something like this. Perfect. We're gonna use a little bit of garlic powder.
Did you just put garlic powder and garlic powder?
I thought I was doing onion powder. I thought I was doing garlic and onion, and I put garlic and garlic. But you know what? We're big garlic fans in this house, so I think it's gonna be okay.
I think we could have onion powder too.
Yeah, I'll put some onion powder too. I won't leave it just like that. Whew. All right, I'm gonna put some onion powder. So we got garlic powder, more garlic powder, onion powder, crushed black pepper. Gosh, I think we need some salt, but this one's out. All right, I got my little salt here, and I'm gonna salt with my right hand, the hand that has not touched the chicken. Makes me think of, there's this horror movie when I was a kid, The Hand That Rocks the Cradle, and my version of that is the hand that hasn't touched the chicken. All right, we're gonna flip these guys over. I'm gonna get them seasoned on this side, and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, I'm gonna grab a bowl here now. I am gonna grab my Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. Yummy! Use the little seasoning packet from the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. I'm gonna put that straight on in there. Do you think this packet is supposed to go on top, Marty? Is that why
Yeah.
it's separate?
You're supposed to mix it with butter and baste them at the end.
Oh. I'm gonna put some whole milk in there, also known as vitamin D milk. We're gonna need about a cup. I'm gonna stir that, see how it comes out. Y'all, Marty is doubting this recipe, but he is going to be proven wrong.
I hope so.
Wrong. Marty, you will be.
All right.
All right, I think we need a little more milk. Y'all, easy one pan dinner. I mean, we did dirty another bowl. I don't know how you could get around that. Would you have mixed the biscuits in the 13 by 9 first? No. Take them out, set them aside, do all the veggies, rice, chicken. I don't think that would work. So, you know, y'all, that's what we can do. We did what we can. We are doing the smallest amount of dishes possible. Okay. Now we're gonna add some cheese to this. You can use sharp cheddar or whatever you like. I had a Mexican blend open in my refrigerator, so I'm just gonna mix that in with our biscuit mix here. But yeah, even if you wanna do a Parmesan, a mozzarella, whatever kind you like, I'm just doing what I had on hand. Bringing back in my 13 by 9 here with my chicken, my broth, my veggies. I'm gonna start just doing some drop biscuits right on top of my chicken. Marty's concerned that I didn't put like a cream of soup in here, and he thinks it's not gonna be moist enough, but he's wrong. He's gonna find out he's wrong. We're all gonna find out Marty's wrong. Once in a blue moon, Marty can be wrong. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna cover this with foil for about the first 20 minutes. We're gonna cook it at 350 for a little under an hour. Alrighty, y'all. Our chicken was in the oven for about an hour. It's got those Cheddar Bay biscuits on top. We've got that minute rice that was ricing up. And we've got our little veggies. I think this is gonna be super tasty and yummy. Marty said it was gonna be dry. I don't think so. Look at this. Ooh, that's the beauty of a chicken thigh, is she got the fat on her. Okay, I should have got a spoon for my rice. But yeah, those chicken thighs, they just drip down in there and they're super, super yummy. Of course, like Marty said, maybe some country, look at that. It's just breaking apart. Cut this baby. Look at that. Try our chicken. Not dry. Little biscuits, little veggies. Still eating that chicken. No, this is so easy and it's good. You gotta try it.